Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. In this video, I am going to explain the question answer of your chapter 2 stories about flying. These are the question answer from part 2 Black Aeroplane. This part is written by Frederick Forsyth. Dear students, let's start the explanation of the question answer. The first question here is describe the sky when Dakota took off from Paris. Dear students, as you know, Dakota is the name of the aeroplane. Okay, you also know that the author was flying from France to England. Okay, now let us see the answer. The sky was clear, the stars were shining, the moon was coming up in the east. There was not a cloud in the sky when the narrator took off in his Dakota from Paris back to England. It was 1:30 in the morning. Okay student, this is the answer of question number 1. Let us see the question number 2. Question number 2 is what risk did the narrator decide to take? Actually, you know, when you have read the chapter, that in the way when he was returning to England, he was surrounded by dark clouds. He decided to go through the clouds. That was the risk. So we can write the answer. We can write in the answer, the narrator's plane was surrounded by dark clouds. He could easily turn back to Paris and land there. There was not much fuel left to fly around the threatening clouds, but he took the risk to wade through the storm clouds. He had thought of England breakfast, so the risk of tempestuous clouds did not seem big before the tempting breakfast. Okay, student. Now let us see the question number 3. Question number 3 is what kind of strange experience did the pilot have during his flight? Yes, really he have a strange experience. Here it is. Though the pilot seems to be an easy on initially, the pilot of Dakota was suddenly caught in the stormy clouds. All the instruments to control the plane has gone out of order, but there was providential help as if out of the blue. A strange aeroplane appeared before him and guided the pilot for safety. But soon it disappeared and no radar showed any other plane excepting the Dakota. Okay, student, this was the strange experience for the pilot. Let us see the next question, the question number 4. What were the two options before the narrator? What did he decide to? As you know, when the narrator encountered black clouds, he had two options. One, to go back to Paris, or the second one, to go through the stormy clouds. So the answer is the two options before the narrator were either to go back to Paris or go through the storm clouds. He wanted to be with his family for the holiday. So he took the risk and decided to go ahead through the storm clouds. Okay, students. Now let us see the next question. Question number 5. What happy thoughts? Yes, what happy thoughts does narrator have before he encountered the stormy clouds? Here we can say the answer is the narrator thought of safe landing and a big English breakfast. He had thought of spending a holiday with his family. Such thoughts evaporated when he unexpectedly encountered the storm clouds. Okay, students. Now the next question: why did the pilot think of going back to Paris? Yes, the pilot was scared on seeing huge storm clouds like mountains before him. He did not have fuel enough to fly around or above them, so he thought of going back to Paris. Okay, students, the next question: what surprised the pilot greatly during and at the end of his flight? Okay, the answer is the appearance of mysterious plane beside his plane made the pilot surprised. He saw its pilot beckoning to him to follow him. He followed him obediently. When he landed safely, he wanted to thank the pilot who helped him. He was greatly surprised to learn that no other planes were flying that night. Okay, students, the next question is here. What do you think of narrator? Yes, the narrator was a brave, courageous, and determined person. Despite heavy and or he did not lose heart. He continued moving ahead through the storm clouds. He succeeded in reaching his destination safely. Okay, students, I have explained the question answer in this video. You will get these question answer in the form of PDF also. Along with it, you will get an assignment in which I have given you some questions. You are to write the answer of those questions also. Thank you.